good, YouTube, man? We back with another POV here. We in a STI here. It's crazy to say that. I'm still getting used to saying that. Trying to get used to saying that. But yeah, man, I want to say I appreciate all the views, man, the likes, the subscribers. I believe we hit 400, man. Shouts out to all 400 of you guys, man. I really appreciate it. I actually just got back from a work trip, so haven't been home or anything like that. So haven't been able to record any videos or make any type of content like that. Haven't driven a car in so long. Car's been without gas. Actually about to go put gas in it. So it's been a minute, but happy to be back. I do have another trip coming up in a couple months. I'm going away in October. I'm actually going to Colombia coming this fourth weekend, but 4th of July weekend, but I will be going away again in October for some time, but that'll be later in the future. But yeah, I'm definitely happy to be back in the STI. So that's where we're starting out. I'm about to go put some gas, and I'll probably record the outside of the car. Well, I will record the outside of the car and start it with that clip, and then put this back in there somehow, I guess, or maybe just restart it all. But definitely want to say I appreciate, man, 400 subscribers, man. That's really big for me. I never thought I'd ever be able to get 400 subscribers. When I first started, if y'all remember the first video, man, I was happy to see 100 views on that, man. To see 10 likes was crazy. So, man, really shout out to y'all, all 400 of you guys. I guess we just gotta fight for the 500 now, right? To keep going, try to be more consistent. My fiance's been bugging me to be more consistent, so definitely gonna try to be more consistent with it. I've been looking all during my work trip. I was looking online, looking at different videos and stuff for different brake lights. Subi Mod has a brake light right now that's on sale, pretty good price. But I'm kind of looking for one that's like, it does reverse and the braking, but it's pretty big, you know, for the braking. A lot of them are like kind of small because it's doing two things at once. So I'm trying to find a good brand. So if you guys have any ideas or any brands that you guys have or any experience with, you know, that'd be a great help. If you guys didn't hear in the last video too, we're definitely going single exit Tome, so that's what we're gonna be doing on the car as well. So I don't know, that's just the little things that I'm looking forward to, that now that I'm back home too, that I could really finally look into and try to get going on it. I don't even remember this car being on E when I left, so this is kind of crazy for the car to be on E right now. But we had the gas station, it's nonetheless not too far. I want to go down these roads. We may take this trip down there since we're here. I've always been curious to see what's down there, so now may be the time, because there's so much traffic up there. Oh my goodness, do you see that? Even these freaking gas stations is busy. Oh my gosh. Alright, well, gotta wait till I find a spot to do gas, and I'll catch up with y'all in a bit. She is blocking the way I need to go. Alright, what's good, YouTube? So we back in it. there's not a lot of people now left at the gas station, but when I was filling up, it was like a lot of people around and people behind me, so I don't know, I felt a little uncomfortable to record, a little embarrassed, nervous, but trying to get over that. Yeah, I wanted to come back here to see what's back here. It seems like it's just hotels. Nothing back here but a few office buildings and office businesses. Amazon Career Center. What are you doing all the way back here, sir? Weird. What the fuck? What those guys are doing back here. Was that a stop sign? Doubt it. I don't know, it's kind of weird. Have you guys ever gone through like office parks and just like drove around seeing like what's out there, I guess? I guess it's interesting, you know, just to see, but ain't really much. Just a whole lot of road or nothing. Maybe we could go to the spot real quick and just get a quick outside look of the car. Just a quick, you know what I mean? So you guys can see what it looks like. Cause I didn't really have too much. I just literally wanted to just drive the car. Just got back from the trip, like I said, and literally just been thinking about the car. Just wanted to get in it and just drive. So since I got in the car and I saw it was empty on gas, it was my excuse to leave the house and just go and get in there real quick. I had nothing to do, got nowhere to go. So I cut the grass and everything before I left. So I was literally just looking at the car. I was just like, let me just go and drive it. So we'll go post up at the spot real quick. I'll take a couple pictures of the car and, you know, end off over there, show you guys the outside of the car. Also taking any of, you know, any and all suggestions on, you know, mod ideas for the STI. I know there's a bunch of them, so I'm really more so about appearance mods than performance mods. I don't really want to do too much under the hood performance wise. So whatever you guys have any ideas with, that'll be great. I hate people like this, dude. Like, drive like this, man. Come on, man. looking van, dude. I kind of had an idea of maybe setting up like a meetup, you know, just like a little car meet, some link up like that of some sort. Everybody local to the area. I have noticed a few people, I guess, are local to Boston or South Shore, or like, you know, just Boston in general, outskirts of Boston. I think it'd be pretty cool, you know, to like cruise around or something like that, man. Let me know if y'all made it this far, you massholes. If y'all think that'd be pretty cool, that's something y'all be down for. Even if it's like 5 of us, I think 5 cruising or whatever is pretty dope. So, but yeah, let's go up to the spot. Yeah, so the GoPro died, my fault about that, but I was able to take some pictures on my phone, you know, get a couple shots, different angles, and I thought I'd show you guys what the car looks like on the outside here with the windows tinted. Sorry about the rims right here, you know, they're kind of dusty and dirty. That's just the brake dust, you know. I've been really getting on the car and whatnot, but car's still pretty much clean. You know, I just haven't driven it since, you know, before my trip, so I plan on taking care of the rims and stuff myself at home, so those will be taken care of a lot more often, because I'm sure the brake dust will be something to be happening more and more as I drive and, you know, put more miles on the car. But yeah, we're still getting used to the car. Any suggestions, any tips on, you know, dealing with this clutch, greatly helpful. I know there's some other people in the comments inquiring about the same thing, but yeah, if you made it this far in the video, I would appreciate it. Hit a like, subscribe, comment down below. Let me know what you might want to see, what you thought about the video, any critiques, anything like that, any mod suggestions. Greatly appreciated. All right, so I'll catch you on the next one. Peace.